Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Unlock the phone and wake the screen so prompts appear immediately. Next, use an original or high-quality cable. Damaged wires cause intermittent data loss, so inspect the cable now. Once done, pick a powered USB port or a powered hub. This provides steady current and prevents dropouts. Plug the cable firmly into the phone, then into the computer. You should hear a sound or see a notification within a few seconds, so watch the screen closely. Once the physical connection is live, you must choose how the phone presents itself. Tap the USB notification and select File Transfer or Photo Transfer, depending on whether you want full file access or just pictures. For Macs, install Android File Transfer or use the vendor app. Windows usually shows the device in File Explorer. Make sure to grant permissions on the phone when prompted. Tap Allow. If you plan frequent transfers, consider selecting Always Allow. Otherwise, pick Single Use for security. Now complete your transfers. Open File Explorer or Finder, navigate to the device and drag files where you need them. Copy instead of move if you want backups. When finished, eject the device from the computer using the OS eject option. Do not unplug while transfers are active to avoid corruption. If nothing appears, try a different USB cable or port, reboot both devices, and as a last resort, enable USB debugging for deeper access. This helps diagnose stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.